Hi everyone, I'm Sonia.
And I'm Crystal.
And this is Cooking with Commods.
Cooking with Commods. Cooking with Commods. Cooking with Commods.
We have such a simple recipe today. I love the simple ones.
Yes, so do I.
You can do them over and over.
Done.
It is called 3-can chili. We can just quickly go through the
All
ingredients.
right, sounds great.
We have 1 can of beans, low sodium, undrained, either pinto, kidney, red, or black bean.
And then we have 1 can of corn, drained.
And we have 1 can of crushed tomatoes, undrained. That's 15 ounces.
And then we'll add some chili powder, just to taste if you like it super spicy. I'm not a spice fan, like super hot. Or if you're just really light on it, you could just sprinkle some in and just keep on going until you get it just perfect for you.
This is a perfect recipe to doctor to your own tastes.
Definitely.
Something that I would definitely add would be some cumin.
Yep, cumin would be
Chili,
good.
it's got to have cumin. But anyway, okay. So you start out, you put all 3 cans into the pan.
Okay.
I'll just
Go ahead and get that going here.
Okay, so there's our beans. We used black beans. There's our tomatoes.
Splashing all over us. Okay.
And then our corn. And you know what? I would recommend cooking the corn up in just a skillet, just real lightly, maybe add some onions, a little bit of garlic, just
Yep.
give it a nice toast in the pan before you put it in the chili. I think it would just really add to the taste.
I also like to add bell pepper to my chili.
Bell pepper.
Dice it up,
Man.
and some onion, if you like onion.
And again, I know I do that all the time, but the Vidalia onions,
Yes.
those,
Yep.
get them where you can. So we've got it all stirred up. We'll go ahead and add a little bit of our chili powder. So you just tell me when.
I mean, do you like spice?
I don't like it really hot. I like to be able to taste it. How's that?
That'd be good. For now. But even after it's heated up, and if we say, oh no, we can always...
Yeah. Because that's not something that's going to ruin it if you don't add enough. Like Crystal said, just add it later. Okay, so we've got it all stirred up. We are going to heat it over medium heat until completely heated through.
Yes.
So we will be back in a minute.
I love chili because there's so many different meals that you can make with chili.
Yes, exactly.
Like you don't have to just set to one meal, and then you can add various ingredients to
Exactly.
it. You can add cheese, shredded cheese to the top.
This would
bell
make a good
peppers.
party dish because then you could just have a chili bar.
Yep.
And like Crystal said, have all the ingredients out. Onions, shredded cheese, sour cream.
Yes,
Just all
scoops if you want like some
Yes.
little potato chips to kind of dip in it.
Exactly. Okay, here we go.
All right. Make sure.
That is excellent.
Mm-hmm.
I love that.
I might actually be able to go for a little bit more heat. Just a tad, not too much more.
This is another recipe that you can really tweak and make it your own.
Yes, definitely.
So we go through the ingredients again. So we have 1 can of beans, low sodium, undrained.
A can of corn, drained.
1 can of crushed tomatoes, undrained. That's 15 ounces.
And then we also have chili powder, and again, added to taste. We had set a chili bar up. You can put just a little container of the spice right there, and they can just add in however much they want, or, even when you're sitting down to dinner. Just, here you go, have some.
Hot sauce?
Yes.
The different kinds of hot sauces.
Yes,
sitting out.
definitely. Some crackers.
Yeah.
Anything. There's a lot,
There's
a huge
so much,
variety.
yeah. Okay, it was really simple. You just throw it all in the pan, heat it up really good. Put as much heat in there as you want. That was our 3-can chili.
It's very good.
It was very good. I'm Sonia.
And I'm Crystal.
And this is Cooking with Commods. See you next time.
Bye-bye.